Greetings, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Live Show. I'm your girl, Luggo Luggo, Dragon All Star and the Wheels of Steel, DJ Rick, Breads, Mad One Fire Q. Big up yourself, my bros. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by the Granaries, located in 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon, where you can go for your weekly event for the young, the not so young, the old, and the not so old. You understand? There's something there for everybody every week. So make sure you check out their Instagram page for more details and go over there and support them. Yeah?
Of course.
Log on for the man them. How was your weekend?
See. Everybody
Hello?
quiet.
Nobody had a good weekend? No?
Yeah,
It's a weekend.
The weekend was good?
Yeah, it was one of them weekend.
Yeah, it was, one of them weekend is like, it was just forward and it just done.
Okay.
No usage a weekend. Everybody just go neutral, go eat.
Friday, I wonder when we go Friday.
Oh, come on, bro. Everybody
Oh,
knows
yes,
where
so
you
when both is just being Friday.
like it's Friday.
But,
Where else would
but
you be?
the top floor there I work, so
What happened to the top floor?
but that's it, electrical problem.
I got Steel City.
Burn up.
No, it's part of the venue was just not cooperate. So me go floor. They alright, but you know the top floor just out there so you can over there so
Like you have one special
That-
spot
that-
over
yes, I do.
top floor.
Me leave out there about 30 US. That's not normal.
You left with 30 US?
US. We shouldn't have left in the US. I live in England.
Oh, that's what
Or you go
meant.
shopping and you know find
No, in a shop. Not enough shopping going.
Okay.
Normally, by top floor, money done.
Okay.
For the
Makes sense. Makes sense.
No, but it go on still and it was alright.
So you never done a business then?
No, they have problem with the top floor.
We just do networking.
Makes sense.
Okay.
What kind of
Just-
breads we are talking about still?
We just network for next time.
Oh, okay.
Well, then-
So 2 week time we did it again. Up and going.
Profit check.
Your mesh work.
Okay.
We don't talk about no.
Nobody
Next
get no
week.
white tonight.
I said mesh.
Don't get no,
mesh.
don't get no white tonight.
Rick.
I think you are lead on the scoreboard this time around.
Yeah, no,
We are
nothing
keep
wrong
score
with
for that
mesh.
year right now. We
Mesh,
are
no wrong
keep
with
the
mesh.
score.
No. If it
No,
Until
man,
I
listen.
speak of
Rick
myself,
White
see.
fall into this year, so
Let me tell you something. What go on now? You see that trophy there? Me just a claim it for now, cause me no know. Me
Boot
can't.
up, chop.
you're
work with it.
gonna be like Valiant, multiple hits.
Yeah, I mean that. And you know, me will attack them.
No, keep it to a minimal, because you know that year.
Yeah.
2023.
Well,
bro.
go on. You see any more than 3 why in a 1 month?
Suspension.
The suspension. Sideline.
Listen, me tell you for now.
No.
Why it doesn't work
him,
for me?
him just a forward off I feel then, cause
Sideline, you know.
No, last year,
Yeah.
last year kick out of the club.
Why for me and why is non-existence.
wow.
Exactly.
All right, since we're talking about why, let's talking about the rumor that's going around, allegedly
What?
that Popcorn and his ex-girlfriend.
We spoke about this already.
I go talk about it again now, cause
Okay.
he out the road now.
What
We
is-
say Popcorn a break in and entry through the back door.
it's confirmed,
Allegedly.
but we spoke about
So
it
she
already.
said.
But
Is it
yeah,
the
we
same
did talk
girl?
about it.
Is it the same
The
girl?
same
that's
K-
No,
Kaylee
we
girl.
never talk about that one day, but we talk about everything.
Why,
else.
Rasta, just
Yes,
load the
we did.
conversation.
No, we never
Yeah.
talk about that topic. Because,
Me not believe nothing what that girl say.
you know, I don't believe she keep on and make video upon
Yeah.
video.
Yeah, she
upon
keeps
video.
forwarding back with
She
She
information.
lose
so-
credibility.
And she
Francie.
claims that she good with who the man there with, but no, even if you have the doubler, you get the L now because you constantly
I
Yeah.
repeat.
I repeat the
Bad
same.
mind that. A bad mind that. That's just definitely bad mind. Me don't know her. I don't know of her. But the
Kaylee
videos
or
that I've
something like
seen, the way she's doing it, she's being very vindictive. And why are you just coming out now? Because Popcorn and this new
Alright.
girlfriend. Just be quiet. then.
Tony and
You see people where you and them have a one-on-one and them leak information where you and them have,
Mm.
they're not good people, bro. And then we make people don't be their friend genuinely. Because the man say, so if you can do that to somebody you claim say they did
Yeah.
So to me, you're just a friend.
Exactly.
Yeah,
No,
talk
just
your business
because
out.
when time when it's good, nobody know nothing.
So if this is true that Popcorn is a top freak, right? So basically say everything when him do and
Contradicting.
in bravado and in persona, so it's all a lie then.
I guess if it is a case that it is confirmed that is what is being done, because we're only hearing her side of the
Because
story.
remember, you know, man go as far as cut off him brother because his brother was on video eating.
No,
the
it
buffet.
was, you got caught. It's different. him probably know a long time. But when him get catch and it's outside, him say, yo, you have to go one side.
But hold on now. When we say Drake, they buff openly. So how empower with Drake?
Nobody see it. I tell you, say, if it's a record in
And,
another word, like, not true.
So let's start about that next elephant in the room because similar to the popcorn scene, but Coffee and Lila Ikea, where is in this week he recently arise that Coffee is really gay as well. Everybody was saying, you know, him and Footer have this little feud going on, and it's a strong indication showing that he's on the other side of the pitch.
What, that he's a batty man?
No, Coffee.
She.
Oh.
She.
That's how I make sure it comes to me like, wow.
Why? Me no know.
Alright,
know.
you
See
know
me I mix up the gender them now because me no know
You're
who I'm going for
confused.
put Coffee
Okay. So for people who might not know, like what has been put out there to say that Coffee is actually a lesbian.
The video with Sheena.
What video? Can we
All right,
expound on it?
the song is called Gimme.
Yeah.
And it's by Coffee, Sam Smith, and I can't remember the girl.
The third person.
So here my stance on this. If you are going to judge, are we judging the song? Are we judging the video or just...
All right. I don't think no one judged the video now, not ocean the video with. People are just, put her just as say, him tell people that she gay, and she a move like she's not. That's the same thing where I say, where you're two-faced, because from day one,
Yeah.
everybody say, Coffee is not fair. She step on she play a home game.
Right.
So why the problem then?
The problem is that you see in a life, you see they accept who you are. No one gives a fuck after
Well,
that.
I know what's my problem with me have because obviously you have some people in a dance hall, right? The so-called righteous, and you have some of them who embrace Coffee, like the Cocoa Tea them, and you know the Chronics them, the Protege them, the people them who would go on like the higher and righteous and higher and mighty.
Right.
All popcorn.
Those are the people who them need to be talked with against it because you know when Gage do him song down in that church, right? Remember that's just a raunchy song. He wasn't talking about fucking Batty or none of them something there.
But
Hold on.
No, it was before time.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Woman has sucked wood from back in ideas. We back before for we time. See? So them thing they are going on Jamaica a long time.
But you're normalizing that versus...
Hold on. But
continue.
it's the same thing where you say normalizing. So now they are normalizing that a gay or homosexual into the dancehall space. It is all right. Soon and very soon you soon have a reggae man artist come out say him gay, and then we just live with it and accept it.
No,
I'm gonna ask you.
Many things say
because obviously
the male version part of it, no matter which era in it not gonna work because even with the rapper them only one person brave enough to do him do, and him catch it for the time when they were embracing them. With a female, that's the bias tonight. A female can do a lot of stuff. Obviously, a man can. So, Coffee being a lesbian is like, just say you are and we're good. The fact where she not say nothing, and when somebody says something,
but she's not... Right,
but the thing, Rick, what?
Rick.
Remember, Coffee was portraying herself as a Rastafarian. She was pouring under that umbrella. And as a Rasta, you don't do certain things. I'd never hear she say it, but she was portraying herself as a Rasta, as in the part of the Rasta movement.
How was she portraying herself as a Rasta? I'm
Because
just asking.
Remember, so Rasta, she have the locks, she have flex with enough of them arts. I am righteous. Buju, the whole of them will say them a Rasta. Hold on now. Let me get my point across. See? So remember Cocoa Tea and them man they first bring her out on the big stage and say, yo, that. See?
Right.
When them bring her out, we say, yeah. The little girl, they have talent. I remember I whole Jamaica run with her. Andrew Holness, Babs Granger, all of them seen. And then, he come out say like, oh, she's kind of play that team. I remember, them bash foot of feet and them bash whole part of people, them bash Chicago. And them say, Lord, the girl not gay, she just do this and them just market her this way. And then, you have the spin-off with Lila Ikea. Come out say she's gay, and then that she say we like a flubble double are going to the camp, and we say the thing them where Chronics are going with and thing. So we say hold on there, it's not so righteous as them portray themselves because remember Chronics come and call up a artist, dancehall as vampire and this and that. You see me? So keep the same energy for coffee them. You don't them just the same and popcorn. If popcorn, why some get watch it?
Bro,
Popcorn
your answer too long.
Popcorn this all
Not your
queen.
answer. Because
Remember this are Panda level.
No, Panda level, but as a person,
Yeah, but it's a joke with it.
you can't this queen if you have powered fish.
The biggest I say elephant in the room is the financial side of it. The person who is in question financially benefits a lot of different parties. So because of that, and she would be the first out there, not out there, dancehall reggae personality that is waving that banner but not waving the banner, because she has never come out and said she's
this
that.
is what she is, yeah.
Them can't say she's playing a narrative of that side. That whatever way you want to put the story, the fact that it's a unique opportunity.
Yeah.
You understand?
Whenever you want to mix up the coffee, have a little boy.
No, but no, this is the joke. So now, because of that, yeah, financially, she's beneficiary to every party. So when time people start, like Foota, start bashing and Foota have a platform where every Jamaican diaspora listen to, apparently him say get the threat from our people.
Yeah, he has received that.
You see me?
That's what.
Remember, enough other people for type burnout, you know. That's literally is gay, you know. But the point is the fact that them no one the Jamaican diaspora who was on the fence of say, can we support or not support? Foota sway them, cause he probably can. That's why if he never was so important, they would allow him make him talk though. And like we are talking about now, they was okay, sure. But if we have a feel where we don't say, yo, you know say, yeah, they might one get a phone call or a message say, yo, just hold out.
Yeah.
all right.
At the money part of it, when you're broke, you can't do certain things. When you have money, everybody turn a blind eye to it. Simple as that.
That's true.
Yeah, go ahead, Rick. What was you going to say?
I lose my train of thought. But anyway, we can
It
pick
has
up
stopped
somewhere. Coffee, first and foremost, hasn't said anything at all.
She hasn't confirmed
and she hasn't denied.
Yes.
And the next thing again is that who cares if she's gay? Coffee is not the problem. If you have a problem with the people them who are pretending righteous, because Coffee is not pretending to be righteous.
Yeah,
Chronics is the one are pretending. Chronics and Cocotee them and the righteous Rasta man, the Capitan them and the sister them.
Coffee, Capitan not part of them.
No, but
don't mix up Capitan.
No,
Careful.
Listen, remember, you get a time to express your point of view. So what I'm saying is, if those people are the issue, fine. I'm shoot off of them. But you see, Coffee, until Coffee come and tell me, say, yo, listen.
This is what I am.
This is what me have. I'm a like girl or she like boy or whatever. Leave her and make she do what she want to do. And don't try to label her or try to denounce her if you tell her. You see the problem with dancehall Jamaica and we as a culture, because we have a strong belief of how we supposed to live. We think that everybody who from Jamaica is supposed to have the same way of life and the same narrative. If she want to go left or she want to go right, it's for her business.
You know,
and you don't have to listen to her song then.
You know,
hold on the birds. More reply to it quick. So let me ask you something. You know, say, if you do not have any form of rules or regulation or any rules to your
Free
thing,
for all kind of vibe.
Nobody respect your thing. All right. Remember just bring a narrative scene.
Yeah.
Look on the Muslim religion, right? You know, say you can't do certain thing or write anything about Muslim. People will kill you when you lose your life, right?
That's true.
Because them believe in what them are doing. Come
So
like
it
Jamaica.
is-
Hold on, no? Our culture will believe in it. We can't make everybody come and because we say it's free for the world and it God so love the world fuckery. We make them do what they want to do. If you say yeah that and we don't believe it in our culture,
We should stand by that.
stand by with guns and say no,
Exactly.
we denounce you. We not in a your thing. Go over there, so stop the music. Go to our next music.
No, but
our music and our culture do not support that thing. So when you are coming at this, you want to honor it, because you have little kids and me have little kids.
Yeah.
I influence them and start influence the little kids and tell them say, yo, them type of lifestyle is right. And then as you know, your kid will grow up until they say, oh, I'm not sure if you want to be a boy or a girl today. Nobody of them fuck you up. You see them thing when you low dance all music with them. When you not coming at that, when you not batty up dance all.
Jaga, you have a point.
Can Brett share his point before you respond?
As we want to say, it's still a commitment to the one narrative. It's about being honest. Remember, in a Jamaica, every community have somebody where them say, you know what? you're growing in the community, everybody, you are that, but they think, as I say, respect. They think a road. You don't bring it, as I say again, in the community with the kids them there. We don't make it there, so they do your thing a road, and you're good. No, bring it as a yeah. But the point is that they know who the person is. It's about know who you are. If you don't say you over there somewhere, so we're good regardless, but we know where you stand and where me stand. You see the thing where them are confused people, this is where them need if you keep on talk and they go watch a video now and not really the video wrong.
More traction.
Yeah, cause watch her. In a fair part, she had the Michael Jackson move like that, but then she's dancing to a female. With not two with her, but the female.
It's how the editing. Me see it as well too, you know.
Yeah.
The editing make it look like she and the girl that dance.
But look on our previous music video without that one there. It was louder.
Not even that.
Louder.
Yeah, remember that song?
Yeah.
Remember that music video? I see him, we say, where the blood clot are going? When you remember the music video where she come out with she and the girl? Seeing them that said she and the girl there. So let me share this. You see, we have a stick by our guns, cause what you know. You see in England, in other land where we live. Yeah, remember if you come out, say you support the Islamic State and you are a radical terrorist, them take by them passport, even if you're born and grew and denounce you and say you are no longer English. See? Make you stateless. Why the blood clot? In our culture, we accept anything and everybody.
No, but
and every fuckery.
But you don't have
we have to stand by this.
Yeah, exactly.
If we don't accept it, kick her out of reggae music and dancehall.
Yeah.
We not deal with that.
No,
but hold on.
Go and go sing hip hop or rap.
So no. Because you want me to like. You see, we like to be righteous on some things.
Yeah.
And we're very righteous and holy on one side I ball.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to bun this and bun that. Jamaica is the most homophobic country in the world.
Yeah, we know that.
Then I like and this.
No,
but then again, if you follow the rules and the lifestyle of the Christianity, Rastafari, and Muslim. The Muslim are extremists in a sense. If I do anything against their religion, then go against you. But yes, still Muslim man still rob people and kill people.
It's not extremist.
This is the rules. All right, work with them rules. The rules say, because me just come from a Muslim country, and the things when me say as a Muslim country, what me think with a certain thing with a strict surprise my mind. And Jamaica now where decides who them want to be righteous and no chichi man for down there and whatever. The crime rate is the highest in the world. Jamaica have the highest crime rate. One to the part of the Bible said thou shalt not kill.
Jamaica has the highest crime rate?
Per capita, yes. It has the highest.
No.
Bro, check the stats. I can tell you right now. Jamaica has the highest crime rate.
No, them do crime rate via minutes and hours. So basically, where they in London they go on, them say London is the most violent city in the world, more than New York.
We're not going to argue about that. Let's get back to don't scrap this topic.
No, we're not straight. What may I say, yeah? All them do demographic, as Erica say, is
mix you can go on.
Is per thing here, but where is it? As I say again, yes, when money involved, shit get done. Qatar.
I don't like that shit talk there. Load that argument there. Yeah, I know.
When money involved, things get done there. You see that Qatar with the World Cup here? These men don't need the Western world for do nothing. But the Western world need their oil. So when the man put them law down, not alcohol, you can't forward if you can. Them not stop you. But you can't do certain things. When they do certain things, they get locked up. And it have to go on. But other countries, that's not America and England, cannot do that and keep an event where say, basically, me I tell you from the jump, if you're forward, you have to be neutral. You have to be what we are saying. But when you don't have money, you don't talk.
Brett, do you like the song?
What?
Give me.
Bro, I don't even know the song. Let's go watch it so people talk about.
Dragon, do you like the song?
Me not know, me not download the car here now.
Just watch the people talk about.
Well, I know. I don't support batty business. So you see me as a youth, me stick to my guns and what me believe in. Because you see, if you don't believe in something, you fall for everything. Here now. See, one thing me learn recently, you forward in one country or a space, you have to abide by their rule.
Like the Romans do.
You see me?
Yeah.
And you see Jamaica, we have a rule. And it's a law out there.
No,
so
but you have to be a hypocrite to the rule you create.
Me not being a hypocrite in a rule.
So, all right. So if
you see me a batty man, you see me a look man, or man a look me.
I'm not saying.
So me a play hypocrite.
No, let me explain to you, no? Because the same narrative where I use say, you not support gay.
Me not support it.
Let me finish now, brother. You cut to what me I say. You see the narrative where I use say you don't support gay, and the song what Coffee do with Sam Smith is Sam Smith a gay, so you not listen to you now, don't know the but me not use 90. Half of the song them in your laptop right now, they're done by gay people.
A liar tell. Oh, can't tell them gay?
Oh,
Alkaline them gay.
No, not tell me.
Half
no,
of we
no.
sang them.
Yo,
Who in a-
yo,
listen,
to be
who?
fair,
Who?
Rasta.
Jagan, wait.
I one little song in my
Why,
laptop.
yeah.
Well, I know. Let me say.
One.
What me say?
One big
What
two,
kind?
one
Well, I know.
three.
Let me
One
talk.
too
No.
many.
Let me talk. No. What kind of shimmies and just the name because the song and the man who sing
Make
the
it
song
make
name
sense.
Marvin Gaye. And I change the name from that to straight. And the man are really gay, you know. So let me tell you this. You see, in a certain thing, when you need to stick by in a guns, because we are Jamaican. See? And you see in a few country, every little fucker foreign can come and manipulate we and deal with certain little thing. We can't come over here and do because you know, how can we live in a society? Right? Like over here now. You can wake up today and decide you want to be a woman, or you want to be a dog, or you want to identify as a statue.
But
And
that-
them things them want to
Alright,
bring a full culture.
No, but the
Rick
same.
and
This,
Jagan,
this,
well,
And that they
Hold on,
want,
hold on.
would you accept that as a Jamaican and feel nice and good? Say yes. Don't have Jamaica around the same like over here. In them type
Somebody
of
say
equality
Marvin
right
Gaye.
there.
Somebody say Marvin Gaye is gay.
it's
But
actually gay. Yeah.
No, hear me I say.
Yeah.
I will say biasness here. Hear this now, yeah.
I'm having straight in my laptop.
What I know,
brother.
So we are talking with the topic, yeah, and we say rate, yeah. Say no coffee in England and somebody recommend her to the show. Would you do interview with her?
No.
Would you do interview with her?
Of course.
So,
Me.
so say I four over there
Yeah.
and three I will say, yeah. So and the show I go ahead. You don't gonna turn up.
Here one now.
No,
I
yes.
would turn up to watch interview, but here one now because me, the question I want me to ask is not going to be a pleasant one.
No,
I'm going to get to the point because
suppose before we accept, we're gonna say, yo, can we touch on topics? If them say no, there is no point doing the show. 'Cause remember, you know, there's a lot of stuff what we are talking about now. That's where the bias is coming to play. If we are say we are talking about this man, I want me here say, yo, me want to know if she is whatever she's not, and you are say she's whatever she's not. Rick I say myself, hold on, Rick. So when them say, if a link you say, yo, this is the subject and the topic, so lead into that. If she say, yo, she accept every topic and she good for answer anything, yeah.
But-
that means you're free to do the show.
But you see.
But then again, the narrative of the fact that she's gay. You see, the video is not about the hombre or the girl. We know who they are.
Yeah.
So no one really, I gotta say, yo, yeah, but we know, no one cares that who them preference is.
Let me ask that
It's
question.
just the Jamaican part, oh, no, the coffee part. Me follow the coffee part to see what people are talking about. Me now listen to the video at all.
Yes,
A
but
coffee part me follow too. And when I see it, I see why people are so them and say, cause the whole video is make up of females and that, yeah. And when fair part drop in, how them do it and how them portray the video and edit it,
Yeah.
is to show, say, if not, if she be, cause them know what them a do. It's marketing, yeah. So me not gonna say she gay or not, but me in my reality in a real life,
yeah.
me gonna say, you're doing everything to say you're gay. So obviously somebody gonna say you're gay.
Question.
Exactly.
I'll ask you two questions, yeah? Two questions. Who's your favorite artist, dancehall artist?
Chronics.
Who's your favorite dancehall artist?
Boy, Rasta, you know what I'm saying?
Hurry up, no man.
Spice.
All right, Spice, right? If you find out the Chronics are batty, man, would you rate Chronics? If you find out the Spice are batty, girl, would you rate Spice?
Me would I still listen to. I still listen to every.
Would you, some of them,
This
Chronics
are the biasness.
righteous, you know?
This is the
Would you
biasness.
listen to Chronics righteousness?
This is the biasness, yeah.
Would you believe in that music and say, yeah, bumbuckle that song is powerful?
All right. You see, there's two different ways to approach this.
Yes or no?
No, it's not. It can't be a yes or no question
Me
because
can
there's.
answer before you.
Go on.
Mr. Spice, because I know what I'm going to say. Spice is my female artist for real. Obviously, you don't say when it's here. But if it's forward out, I'm not going to lie, maybe.
You don't know about your
No,
argument already.
no,
Don't
listen,
bother with
no,
the
no,
book,
no,
man.
no.
Just get to the
Listen
answer.
to that. No,
Bumbuckle
listen.
that, man.
May I be totally honest, yeah? At first, I got throw anybody. Like, way off. Like, literally, like, wow, fuck, shit. But in reality,
Yo, stop the button shit.
all right.
Dog, no bother with your bumbuckle.
All right.
Yo,
Well,
talk in my Rick. Answer. No bother with Rick.
No. In a reality, yeah, obviously, if the song them you listen to him and sing, nah, portray that part of them lifestyle, you will listen to the song them. Because it's hard for you to just cut off somebody.
I said the same thing.
It's very, we can talk it and know, but in a reality, everybody reaction different. Because if enough money you say, such artists,
You could have fuck all your girl to see Spice so she like it, see? And when you realize that's a blood clash, you a batty girl. Me ask you.
but that's the bias.
Me ask
no,
you.
no, no.
Me
No,
ask you.
no, but that's the biases to it.
Which biases to
man,
what?
which man, you straight man is against lesbian? I listen my butch.
Oh,
Which straight man against a lesbian?
I don't like no lesbian.
Fam,
Bro,
tell her.
you rather
Tell
be in
us.
a room with a bag of lesbian, bro.
What man?
Because you try to
You
see how you
see,
can get a pussy
you
off
see.
of them.
Lesbian, you have bisexual and lesbian different.
They not hear me I
Don't
say.
mix
No,
it.
they hear me I say. The butch one them, we know who they are.
Yeah.
Them know themselves. But I thought the lesbian female them, regardless of my buyer or not, them still
Fam.
apart. But you, as a man with straight, when you're a lesbian girl,
Let me answer,
you
man.
want fuck her.
Me
Wrong
answer,
am
my
right.
Make Rick answer.
Listen,
'cause-
let me tell you something. Let me tell you this in front. Me say this on camera or off a camera. I am at the age right now where I care zero if somebody want to think about me. If me find out say a man a gay, me no business what you want to do in your spare time.
If I just gonna give that okay, sure.
Listen, me no care.
That mix dragon.
If a music me I listen to, a music me I listen to. Just like how me tell a man what day me have somebody in one party have a conversation a live in the audience. Come me go play one R. Kelly song. And them a tell me say, why you play R. Kelly song? Me say, listen to me, man. Me no condone the R. Kelly do. And me feel when he's supposed to be a prison. Yes. But you can't tell me say me not to listen to R. Kelly music because enough of these songs where me used to listen to when me a youth. Me can't delete the memory.
You can't listen to them.
Me can't delete the memory and me can't forget the place where me have my birthday party and step play and how me for delete that memory there. So even though you say Chronics now are my artist and me say Chronics gone sideways, me not go support Chronics like
Going
as
forward.
as an individual. I say yeah, but the music that when me not listen to, one of my favorite album on Chronics do, how me I go just wipe that out of my memory.
People
So
are forgetting the artist
that's what my stance,
is
brother.
different from the person. If the artist that sing what you want to hear, it make you feel better in a life. In a real life, you don't care about the personal life because we are still biased. Because when they at work, we work with all sorts of people.
Exactly.
Sometimes your boss will pay you
Yeah.
and sign a check or whatever, or authorize your hours them. You're gay. But what you gonna do? You're not gonna cost them because any idea you're not doing nothing wrong. If you say, yo, as you say, Batman money, you're working like everybody's on the same field.
You see,
So-
you're
so-
just
no-
getting the conversation stupid.
No,
though.
what we are saying, the bias is working a lot of different ways. Because some people are happy to work for them, but then on the next hand, then we see them eat them and them be dead. But you got the next morning, I laugh up with Michelle or Tom, shake them and see him like a now person, sit around table in conversation, having a lunch, and then
You see, like
I just don't-
you guys are misinterpret the question and misanswer the question because you know. When we talk about your favorite artist, the music we listen to religiously, and when I hear certain song, it move your soul a certain way, and you have that connection to this song certain way. You see, if you know that this person is this type of person, you won't have the same values for that song anymore because obviously, just like what you say about R. Kelly, he's been convicted of what him do, seeing? And then people start upon him different and say, yo, no, I can't really relate to that guy. So again, you still like the song, you still listen to the song, but certain connection where you start to the song, you say, no, you can't listen to again. Because you already know what it is. You could have come like say, just if you find out say Chronic's a fish or Spice a fish. Or you feel say, if all me there in my house and me and my girl are fuck now, seeing? And some like it come on. Instantly come in my mind and say, no man, I want batty girl with that song, man. Careful in the dragon.
But I think that would you.
Careful.
Why?
I think that.
Tether.
Because
look like
I think when in
Me I say me
your
and
psyche.
Spice. Me I say me and Spice and share work then.
I think we're up on
No,
that one.
alright.
That one I listen,
No,
that one I go stop on.
Well, I know.
Yeah, we're there
last
too
thing,
long.
but the bias is here. The Wire, bad man show. The baddest man of the Wire, find out say he's a gay. Omar. And everybody rate Omar in that show. You see me?
When I talk about
No, I'm trying to show you. When people religiously watch, cause you don't find out straight away say him like man in the show. But
you know which Roberts I talk about?
The Wire.
the Wire, yeah, bro. Love it.
That's our Netflix series, isn't it?
No, it wasn't. But before that, but what I say, yeah, it come back down to, as I say, the bias and stuff. What you say, yeah. I watch Snowfall, yeah, and the first episode, this particular actor, they fish up in part, and when we see him now on different movie, me not gonna lie, as I said for true, it does show you, cause I said naturally this person never act that role ever. And when it was like, it broke me like, yo, that, from that, me never watch that whole series, like that 5 seasons, me never watch it no more because of that. But as you grow and get along and realize stuff, and I say you're against them, it's just that it throw you off, so you have to reevaluate yourself and go again. You see me?
Yeah.
In a real life, me personally don't care if someone wants to be gay. That's their problem. Me now go out there and march for them to be whatever, because that not help me. Just know, say, you know yourself, me know myself.
Exactly.
You respect me respect you. Me in a sense, say, you do what you do, me do what I do. That is it. It's when them I try to cross and I try to force you to accept something where you don't feel comfortable.
That's the problem.
Same like how when them was in a closet fully, them they want people accept them for them married, them to do the same thing. That's what I'm saying, innit?
Everybody have a freedom
So
of rights.
enough art, enough DJ,
Yeah,
a course, but them gonna play a coffee same way.
Exactly. So make a left it right there, because it a stretch overboard.
Do we have time for another topic?
Yeah, let's just touch on this.
Make it
quickly.
quick.
Let's touch on
You
mental
say-
health a little bit, because we know a recent dancehall dancer, Luggo Luggo, you know, has been resurfacing back on the media, looking like she have some form of mental issues going on.
Luggo Luggo is a woman.
Yeah,
You never know.
That's why I want to dance and bring him, so.
it's a dancer
Yeah,
woman.
Can I finish, sir?
Jaja, two of them.
Sorry.
Birds
can I-
will live
can I
on
finish?
social media so much.
Yeah, that continue because we don't
Yeah.
have much time.
So recently, you know, it's been circling on social media. You know, a lot of video come out with her, you know, looking a bit,
Yeah.
not like her usual self.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a bit more overweight, a bit more, you know, out of
Slower
place,
than
out of-
normal.
Yeah, slower than normal,
Mm.
and it's I really seem like everybody is, you know, taking the piss with her now.
And making jokes.
And in a sense, she's one of the dancing icon from the early 2000s. You know, from Pasa days and them time there. So if she is mentally challenged or she's got through some issue, I feel like say
she needs to get the support.
the dancehall community and the dancehall fraternity
Yeah.
should actually reach out and try
Get her
give her
some
the help what she need,
Mm.
But
because this is something we're serious, and in a Jamaica people don't take mental health really serious.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, the people that are commenting on Luggo Luggo are mostly the new school we don't even know who is Luggo Luggo. You realize the bird just find out who is Luggo Luggo?
No, bro, me guarantee. Oh.
No, but the young-
No, stop. Me know the person, wrong name. I am name, ugly one, call I same name. I thought me mix up. Sorry,
Okay.
my bad.
So the point when I try to stress, most of the people them who are following social media, the younger crowd, they don't even know what Luggo Luggo is and know who she was and the history about Luggo Luggo. So you see, most of who understand that she's moving slower and see the difference may be willing to help. But the younger ones are gonna criticize because they're judging for what they're seeing.
What
What they're
see at the
seeing.
time.
Yeah,
not
and they're
based
seeing. They
on what
didn't
they
know that she was
Somebody say
top
actually
dancer.
who she was and exactly. So now she does
Yeah,
even the
colour.
interview where she do, you can definitely see that
The
something is there. And
difference.
she says she's 21
Yeah.
with a straight face,
Yeah.
and people take it as
And that's that. And I mean, you have to, them said take bad things make
Don't
joke.
yeah.
That's the only joke I've seen people running with.
Yeah.
Not to say that ha she's mentally challenged. It's just that
You know
she's
what?
called herself
People
21.
need to remember this. They are one of the pioneers who bring in that daggering era in dancehall. You see that little daggering era then? When a man say, yo, we can go dagger a girl and re.
That is
Remember
it.
them
and she,
bringing the part in a dancehall.
she
That
and Daima.
that was
Aye,
it.
man, Ida.
That's
Yeah.
when people was flying in from all over the world
For just
come to
come.
Jamaica
For just
for
what?
dancehall and dancehall culture, because I feel like say in the early 2000s is when dancehall reap its biggest benefit in terms of
Between 2000
video
2008.
and the street dance ratio, because that was the point when people was
DVD
flying
hot
in.
cake.
to kind of embrace the whole movement and the dancing move. That's why we have whole heap of dancing camp and them part there
Brother.
in a Europe and
Yeah,
and
because
all
Asia
over,
and all
yeah.
that, because of people like them
Yes.
who pioneer some of these
What them
moves.
name Slovakia, Slovenia, the country there?
Yeah, Slovakia.
Them did
yeah,
their
Slovenia.
enough done there. But remember one time, Pasa go to 100 and them restart. Bro, every week, you got two things about your DVD them. Because you want to see the new dance, the new this, then the DVD era in the dog. And between, as him said, early 2000, about 2008, 9, them kind of fizz out and them it done. And then for the next 10 years, it's like nothing in Jamaica change where people is fundamental, like players, other local stuff where just make the crowd saturated enough where you did it so. It's like, as we say, so she know they do her thing, obviously. The space where she in a die out.
Exactly.
Because for a while, dancers weren't touring, bro.
And it's not even that, because of the type of dance has changed. It's changed from the woman to the man. You start have the man them know. Remember the man choreography dances been start from when my boy they start voicemail and start.
No,
it-
before.
it-
No,
it-
no,
it
no.
was-
Before,
it was
Wacky.
in them days.
No,
eh?
no, it was
It
corresponding.
It was in those days, but in the morning was exclusive
Exclusive
For the
for
woman,
Dagger Man.
yes.
for the dagger morning.
If I want to highlight the dancer,
So them
Umbre,
time the dancer them was like earlier on in the night when them do them
Yeah.
thing and the crew them. So now you have some of the artists them from those era who was the big deal from them time there. We still doing good now in dancehall. I feel like say
Ding, dang, ching,
those
ching.
artists can do something to help because
Richo.
this are the era will really make you who you are today.
But
Because a lot of these artists from back then, who was the man, like who was doing good. I think Elephant Man was doing good.
Great.
I think Vice Mail was doing good.
Great.
I think RDX was doing good. I
Very
think
good.
Bounty Killer Alliance was doing good. Movado them was on the rise doing
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Busy Signal was doing good.
Yeah.
Idonia was on the rise doing good. It was a few Vice Cartel was doing good. So some of these artists who are very well established and Sean Paul, Shaggy them, we can't left for no time.
But,
We have
alright.
enough of the charity money. When
you
you can pull up a
Pull
little
together
money
and give her the assistance.
Yeah, no, give her a little
alright,
assistance in
You
terms
see
of
the
that.
problem we have with dancehall is you said the fraternity. There is no such thing as a fraternity. That is the problem. The business as a dancehall is always just been just free for all and everybody.
But
for
you don't have a
themselves.
hip hop fraternity either.
No, but you have hip hop like different moguls
Moderators,
and people
moderators.
who can string something together quick and make it be official and we
Does
get
that
some
watch
format.
Rick?
Yeah, but all right.
We have
But
a watch in
let's-
Jamaica as well.
But you see, it's not.
All right, watch
They're
this.
not doing. What am I do?
They're not doing nothing.
There's a
so-
lot of artists right now, the foundation artists
Yeah.
that are struggling, and there's nothing in place for them to earn anything. So for Luggo Luggo being helped, it just need to be taken up slowly, probably by the most prominent person is probably Boom Boom or who
Yeah,
was-
boom, one
One
of those
of them
people
can do
who is
it, yeah.
keeping like a weekly
Weekly
event.
events that
Just
she
like
normally
boom, boom
goes
them,
to.
You can say, all right. Somebody asks them and you can say, boom, boom, here we go on. That
You're-
boom Sunday,
yeah.
we do it for Luggo Luggo, raise some money. If nobody no want dip in them pocket, raise some money, get her check out, see what's wrong, see if we can help her a little bit.
I was just
Remember, say, when you not sign a subscription where every month or every week you get a thing. It'll come like a one-off thing you do.
Yeah.
Whether you come contribute a performance or whatever you can contribute because that's so you go to make it think. Because if
And-
you have 10 hours Spanish show, people come and spend money.
I was
And,
just
and,
saying-
and,
Something go.
and another aspect of that is not
Spice as well. Yeah, style, you're right.
not only get the money together, but make sure that it is handled properly, that she
Yeah,
actually
that-
gets the support that she needs.
'Cause
Because
it's-
you can collect money till thy kingdom come. If
and
the
not-
money
not
is
co-
not used properly and used to her aid, it makes absolutely no sense.
Yeah, I was gonna
She
say.
needs somebody to do that.
That is designated or around her to give her the support to take her to appointments and, yada, yada, blah, blah,
Because
blah.
it's very sad
You know
to
what?
see these
You know what?
people.
You see, people go Jamaica. And I say this. I'm always say it. When you go Jamaica and see somebody look like, what do you call it, vulnerable in a sense. The time when I record and put them on
Give
TikTok
them the
and
help.
that, yeah, either you buy them a food, do something you can do for them. Not record it. When me there, I will never record somebody with mad. You know why? When I record somebody with mad and post it, you just
It tells me a lot about you.
You're,
Yo,
yeah,
no,
but
no, no, no.
you-
Even
Yeah.
you alone.
It heightens
You,
the
it's not even
situation.
gone past you. Yeah, we call it put on the country more.
Yeah.
Because watch it, yeah. You see a madman. He mad for various reasons. Could be homeless and just can't afford it. You can record them and show off and rate. I will video somebody from the community. You know, every community have a local gimmicks person.
Yeah,
They're
that's
not mad,
different.
but they're just very close to mad, but they're not mad. Them be gimmicks thing. That's different. But somebody will literally lose it. You're recording them, and it's like you're doing it for clout. And you're recording and you give them nothing. You buy them a drink or something.
Let me answer the question. You think Jamaican at the moment have a fetish for mad people in the last few years?
No,
I don't know if
Always,
it's a
always, no, always, always.
It's not.
I
for
don't
last,
think it's
forever.
All because even
Forever.
the same pasa.
Oh, my word.
Ding dong, yeah. With the woman name always, the old man name again.
Which old man?
She always come as pasa man, yeah.
I know you
And once she reach, ding dong, always
Yes,
give her her money.
Yeah. The little, what's your name, man? Can't look
Okay,
old man.
and she do a look dancing too. They look old man, but once ding dong at the building,
She gets her change.
I will tell her DJ, yo, make sure she reach, she get her money.
You know, before we go to car, I don't time shot. I just want to try to find out one person name. The brother with the phone always stays so.
Oh, brother, yo,
Me
make
want to find
him
out
mad.
him
him mad.
name.
No.
Me
I
want
don't-
to find out his
Is he
name.
mad or is he
He's
mentally
creative.
challenged? Or
No. Me not say me.
Okay,
Him just mad.
let
Bro,
us
I was
clear
at
that up.
MVP Friday, yeah?
Yeah.
The man found with a suitcase with a woman, yeah? Man part the suitcase. Man going at the middle of the crowd.
Yeah.
And the man do a 360. Madusa she name.
Yes, mix
the
and
man,
Madusa,
the
yeah.
man do a 360 about 4 million times. And I think that can and start cut.
So him not
Brother,
busy.
brother, the man bring the man
Yeah.
bring props, bro.
Yeah.
The man forward.
Yeah, but we need to know a name, because we need to start give him a we
Can't
need-
Tired is his name. DJ
Can't tire.
Styler.
That's it.
Big
Can't
up-
tire.
Can't
Big up
Tired.
his, yeah,
Yo, the
that's
man
his
name
name.
makes sense, bro. The man forward.
He's definitely, he's creative.
And for the last hour.
Hold on,
Yeah.
hold on.
The
We could
last
talk about
hour.
UK a little bit.
No.
Yo, bro.
Hold on now.
It tired,
So
man, watch
since
it
we're
tired.
talking about mad people, so me could just name out a few mad people in a UK dancehall.
Who are you
Me
going
nah
to?
know- me nah ask if you know a mad smaddy over here.
I
Are
don't know.
socially mad.
Yeah.
Not reality mad.
Birds.
Not
Yeah,
mad,
who kind of mad over
You
here?
have to keep
Nah,
this in.
Birds.
Daddy
Well,
Bless
before,
mad.
before you go any further,
Yeah.
careful with this, you know.
I'm not getting
Me,
involved.
me ask a
Careful.
question.
I'm
No,
not
no,
getting
no, no,
involved.
no, no,
so
We don't feel like if you
we
ask
can't
a
talk about
question.
Jamaica.
No, Jagan, that's why I
No.
said.
Who in a UK,
That's
man?
what I said.
Careful
No,
with
no,
this.
that's why I said, yeah.
Because
Yeah.
UK thin skin.
Socially mad.
Yeah.
Not
Very.
like you're mad
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
Socially with them display upon
Yeah.
social media.
Me not
man.
really think someone want to
Yeah.
answer that question, but
not
me did
actually.
want.
At time, Queenie get mad.
People who mad, don't
You know
talk
what?
up on the phone. Cause
Queenie
they
get
are-
mad.
they are- they
And
can't
at
beat
time, Danny Bless get mad.
Yeah.
At time,
Do you believe
Corey
it?
get mad.
Yeah.
At time, no people get mad.
Birds. You're not calling him.
Me that tell
Me
you
never
something,
get
let
mad
me
because I'm
alone.
not going live. But what I say,
Yeah.
we're talking on live. We're not talking on
You
real
not go
live.
live?
Yeah.
The majority of people live is different.
Anyways, yeah. Finish that topic. And
We
then
all right. People that mad
two
over
seconds
here,
on another.
you never know because they get help. Because obviously help there. But we are talking people go up online and just do the madness them. For that you are talking about online madness, enough of them out the man.
All right,
Alright,
one
then.
last thing before we go. One last thing.
You're saying Bolt got chopped.
Yeah, we're not. I
Him
don't
get chopped.
think we'll trouble that because that'll go long.
No,
Right
no,
time.
not really. See how we go on. The man invest in something from 2012.
No, but this need a one whole two off to talk about.
No, listen up.
Because me feel
Me not have all that information, so you don't need 2
Yeah,
hours.
Yeah.
We are
Yeah.
sum up, Rick.
Me-
Rick,
Quick go summary.
Rick, go on here. The man invest in our investment company that's
Which is
legit.
Stocks and
Yeah.
Securities
And
Limited.
this somebody realized they both now draw the money. It just a re-up.
yeah.
And then just re-up him account and leave $2,000 in the for him.
Yeah, but just say this now. Both can get back his money easy, you know. Because it's not, he didn't give it to an individual, he gave it to a company.
Yeah, no.
So all you need to
Insurance.
do, all you need to do is sue this company, and if the company can't pay, you need to liquidate every asset with them.
Bro.
And we have to
And him
understand
alone can
it's
just
30
do that.
other
Hold on,
people.
hold on.
Hold on.
So in terms of our company setup, remember you have stocks and shares and bonds, right? So you have different players. So you can't just liquidate the whole company. When breads have peace, you
Yeah.
can't liquid. Hold on a bread see for money, right?
No, but this, he
Rick,
can.
Rick, hold on. No. That's not how it works.
I'm telling, bro,
Rick,
all right,
hold
you
on,
explain yourself.
Let
Let
me explain and tell you.
Yeah.
That's not how it works. See? So Bread's own a share in the company. See? Bread's investing money. Bread's not a part of the company. Bread's don't business about none of the runnings. Bread's invest some money in the company as an investor, right? And buy some stocks. See? Or some shares out of the company. Boom. Bread's have it. One employee in the company decide to steal some money. So what's gonna happen? They're gonna prosecute the employee who steal the money. She is solely responsible for he or she is solely responsible for the money we steal, right? Because just like if me go rob a bank and them lock me up for $1 million with my thief. When me get the 5 or 10 year how much year me get, when me come out, if me have the $1 million good for me, cause you can't come say me still have to pay back $1 million because you have a thing called time served, me pay back my debt to society. So in terms of the company or company's structure, you see thing like that, them can't liquidate the company because it's not a one man own the
all right,
company.
let me answer you quickly, because in use of that time. What you say a while ago, in a radio, I know say it work. If you have a company, and the company, Bolt did not invest with this lady. He invests with SS or guy or whoever it is.
SSL.
It's not an individual, a company.
company.
When you're doing business, you're doing business in a company. If I go to Tesco and I spend £5 at Tesco and Tesco over rob me or whatever, I'm suing Tesco.
Right.
So all you need to do is go back to this company that is invested to, and if they can't pay him back the money, he can take him to the court. And if they decide that the courts rule in favor to pay back his money, if they don't have the physical cash,
They have to
they
find
have
it.
to file bankruptcy,
Do you remember Cash Plus?
and then auditors come in and check up everything.
Do you remember Cash Plus?
I know Cash Plus, of course.
Remember all the Cash Plus? Do you have a vivid remembrance
No,
of the Cash Plus saga?
I not quite remember.
Remember when Cash Plus go on when they rob people in the money, right? Remember say them couldn't liquidate the company to get the money to pay back some of the people.
Because
Yes,
I understand.
hold on,
One
hold
of
on,
the-
hold on,
hold
Rick,
on, hold
because Cash Plus was run by couple different entity, couple different person. See? So the main person who then they think of the fraud, what them do, then they try hold on some of fee property and sell them for pay back some of the people. But some of the people them who was like investors and stocks and shareholders, they couldn't do nothing to their asset or nothing because you know. If you rob my money for pay back you, how fair
Oh,
is
your
that?
money go.
No,
How fair would that be?
So hold on,
but
That's
you
why
see-
I'm telling you, it's
Hold
very
on, Jagan,
complicated.
Jagan.
It's time.
Hold on,
It depends on the type of company. There's different companies.
And
Some
this
companies
is an
have,
asset all in a management firm.
yeah,
Jig,
but that's
Jig,
what I'm saying.
hold on.
It's some company, if it's a partnership, if it's a limited liability company, or if it's a sole trader company.
Yeah, that's
Obviously,
it.
SL,
It's
SSL.
it's not going to be a sole trader. It's going to be it's either going to be a partnership or a limited liability.
And apparently, based on what they're sharing, is that there was a problem identified 5 years ago that this company, the SSL company, were having issues from back in the days. So my question is, that person who was in charge of Bolt's portfolio
Them part ways in December.
or whenever, but they should have known all this information. Is it that they parted because of a situation such as this and it is just forwarded out into the public?
That's what they said.
What
And
if you sorry
it's-
for Bolt?
I mean,
Of
if you feel
course,
sorry
the man
for
has
both.
worked very hard for his money.
I
No.
know you would work for him.
Well, I know. Me feel sorry for Bolt in a way, but this is rich. Can you see how rich a man is? You see
Yes,
how
but
la-
it doesn't
does.
matter. The
Well,
man
I
has
know.
worked for
you
his
see
for
how
what
long
he
him
owns.
take to realize that them say money missing.
It doesn't
No.
matter.
No, you see,
He
what-
has worked for what he
No,
has.
no, I'm not saying it's right.
Watch it, yeah.
I'm not saying it's
I
right, but
feel
here
sorry
one
for
know.
him.
For once, yeah. For once,
Yeah.
not once, but once today. Jagan, me not lie to you. When me hear the
I
story,
feel
yeah.
it, man.
Because I said, go.
Because you see,
No,
and I-
you know, I'm say that here. He might not get back all that money, but he might get back some of my money.
and he can't make it work.
Him lose, no, but him, he can't make it lose. If him lose 10 million US
Yeah.
and then get back 6, he might just hold the L for the 4. And the umbrella thief how much money, our 100 million them thief in total.
And it's more than one
Brother,
of them.
if me thief so much money, you will never catch me. I'm gonna leave the far place of Africa.
well,
What the hell?
It's an
just
unfortunate
one of these things
situation,
because
yeah.
obviously we know the banking system in Jamaica, it's run like the chopper them run thing and mobile because even
viral again.
you know why I say that.
Me post banking and say,
That's
yo,
what I know.
100 million and nothing if we
Make
draw,
Dragon
dude.
finishing point.
All right, why I say that now is because obviously you know how NCB run and that firm is affiliated with NCB, right? They are under the NCB umbrella, and we know say if we have money in an NCB bank,
Them
the
a
bank
draw- them a
charge
draw
you to keep
month-
your money.
yeah.
You draw
Monthly.
Yeah, wicked.
a money monthly, whether it's a checking or a saving account, which in no way, shape, or form the government of Jamaica should allow a bank to take dividends out of your money to
that
keep
you
your
have
money.
put in.
And the way the system is rigged in Jamaica, your paycheck going to the bank. So on the way you don't want the bank take none.
And if you take it out,
If I take it out, it's still charge if I take it out. So
yeah, keep it on the
it's
mattress.
it's rigged. The system in Jamaica is rigged. How the fuck can you get your pay in the bank? And if you want your money and you got the
If you
bank ATM, them still charge if you take
Alright.
it
That's why
out.
you go to the teller.
Jagan, do you know over here, yeah?
Go
you
to
talk
the
about
teller.
reggae. When people try to compare Jamaica and say, fuck up. You know over here as well, yeah? Silence take the square. Over here as well, if you have 5 million in the bank and the bank are bankrupt, you don't get the money, you get a what? 80,000 you think or so? You don't get your money back.
You can't
Based
get
on
it
And
back.
that me I tell you, Rick, do they sell the bank and liquidate it and give you money?
No,
No, it's
no,
the bank.
Exactly.
no.
I
The
same
bank,
thing.
the bank part itself have an insurance, and the Bank of England will forward into play and give your body a dividend. So imagine you have 4 or 5 million at somebody bank, yeah? And the bank, for some reason, cause every money of that bank, yeah, every Wednesday at stock market. So the money of the account now, it not go missing for you, you know. But them use your money
For pay off somebody
and
else.
no trade. That's why the bank have more money than everybody else, cause them go up on the stock market and they see everybody else. Them trade every week.
Yeah, then,
So
but
say-
then trade safely.
So one time they go trade and them lose everything. You know, later or whatever say, yo, bankrupt, lockdown. You have 5 million now saving in your type of account here. All a year say you get out 80 to 100,000 back out of all of your money. You can't do fuck
Then
all,
keep
bro.
your blood clot money
Yes.
on your mattress. That's it.
And the house burned down no one thing.
All right,
That's
before we cut, I want to big up one thing. You know, me just
Yeah.
want to give my boy a
See, she's
forward.
100, Mr. 8, which is 100.
Breads, tapping eyes now. We done now. We done this.
For one
Jeez.
tonight, I'll be right, me I get no left.
All right, here we go. Give DJ Genesis a forward man for him song.
That he has.
Yeah, he's a
composed.
producer on the song. I'm tell you,
We
say,
are on the ground.
it go on. That
Catch
is
it
the
on,
number
catch it on.
one trending
On TikTok.
song right now worldwide.
You
And,
get your dance?
we're proud to see, one away get a song
Yeah.
out there like that. So
What
big
song
up
that? What
yourself.
song that?
We are on the
We Are on
ground
the
man by
Ground.
Nads man. And Nads in him. Yeah, see dancehall, rich badness and
Sing a song with friends. Sing.
I him produce that?
yeah.
Yeah.
And we are on the ground.
But him not post like I'm producing.
Him
Yes,
post
he
it,
does.
does post it.
He does.
You would posting things. So
He
give
does.
him
On
forward.
Instagram and on
never
TikTok.
said number one song.
I never said he fucking doesn't. I said I didn't.
You
see
just
it.
say he.
Yes.
No,
Brett,
I asked. Does,
no.
Brett.
I asked. Him not put no.
Turn off your
As
microphone.
a Jamaican,
When I take that, when I get bread, the liquor, we
All right.
when I take
All right.
time to
as a Jamaican, me say him not post it.
Turn
Me
off
say
your mic, no, brother.
does he post
Turn
it?
off your mic. Right. Right. What do you mean if the
might
the
post it.
guy's promoting his songs and and it has reached worldwide. You see
Yeah.
the dancers them from all over. I do the routine dance.
Yeah.
Oh, that one there.
No,
one
that, yeah,
Big up
yeah.
him.
Big up yourself, Genesis. Yeah, that song there get a looky.
It's a cold world. Me as a Jamaica cold teen. Me as a don't watch it cold.
13
Brother,
degrees.
no, here we go on. My favorite place. Bridge not drive. I say, yo, brother, look at the video here. Actually, I want to him go. Yo, the man said back here, empty. Got him call. John no dog. Yo, bro, do something, man. Give them some coat, man.
That is it.
Alright,
Yeah,
that
that
is
is
it. Ladies and
Of course.
gentlemen, it is 31 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock. We have been having a great conversation so far. We have our special guest, Danny Bless, entrance boss.
Yes.
That is in studio. So yeah, we're gonna set some things. We're gonna have a chat with Danny. But just make sure it's not full up on a cup, cause
Yeah.
with
We'll
very
talk
very
something.
strong beverages. You
Yeah.
understand? Because the conversation is going to be very very
More tell you.
interesting.
It's 24
No,
hours.
no safe question asked, Ronnie. You know,
In
everything
the
where
day,
people
yeah.
want to ask and hear from more there.
Oi.
Dragon ask it.
Jagan. One Danny Bless slogan. Nobody in the stage, not even the host. So not even the guest.
Right, so
So
we're
people-
stick and stay. Don't go anywhere else. Just share the live and make some people forward over here. So the entrance boss will be in the hot seat in 2 seconds.
That is
Exactly.
it.
Yeah?
That's just
Where
right.
them for go?
Keep it straight.
Everybody are there in the yard, you know, I do a call.
You don't know if people have a sneak link.
And me, if
we
you
don't
tell
know.
you,
The link have a forward. I watch it live.
Yeah, no.
You understand?
Mind I get a 7.
What did he say? What did he say?
Boy, I'm for tell we.
Brother, careful.
But
Careful.
anyway, people, anyway.
Where you looking at this?
Yo, all right, here we know. Here we know.